Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Well, people remember yesterday we were telling us that the juggling start again with the people, and them rated enemies in the midst and things, in. And them I move to tell them usual you know. I'm going at the paper them and I'm lay the foundation for certain things and attempt to essentially control public sentiments and different subject matter before they make certain move. Essentially, them create the justification before they make the move, you know? And yesterday I read a letter from somebody who give it to me, you know? And today, we see some letter in defense, yeah? So I read them. Just like we read for them letter, we can read the letters will reflect the other side. First letter in the Gleaner today. Leave Raga alone. The editor, sir. The Ragashanti show is well needed by many of us Jamaicans who cannot be bothered with the everyday stories of politics and crime. We who need a little spice in our daily lives. I am, however, amazed that many who find the show so disgusting and uneducating and so don't bother to listen can tell us word for word everything that Raga says. Like many of us who listen to Raga's show, you can in no way contribute to the development of the country. So I think you all should just leave us alone to enjoy our, quote, ghetto show, end quote, from Tara Lindo over there in Greater Portmore. Next letter is in direct response to the letter from E. Handel Wallace. And it says, in defense of Raga, the editor, sir, E. Handel Wallace needs to come out of the dark and into the light. This is a modern era, and he is still living in the dark ages. Or assuming it's a he. There is nothing wrong with Ragashanti's talk show. All the things on Raga's show are things that are currently going on, not only in Jamaica, but all over the world. He needs to, I guess this is E. Handel Wallace, needs to open his mind and really listen because he can learn a lot from the show. In the USA, there are programs on both radio and TV which are more outrageous than Raga's show. They do not put things in code as is done on Raga's show. I was listening to a radio show last week and the woman was telling Michael Baisden, the talk shows, what she was using with her lady lover. She did not put anything in code and no one was calling in or writing about his show. Leave Raga's show alone. He's acting on the gift God has given him. He's using his talent and not hiding it under a bushel. He's happy to bring joy to people all around the world. If you do not like his show, don't listen to it. Juliet Edwards. Well, usually ignore them when I'm write them thing, but I like this. I like saying I write responses and things because very often when people read these things that they write, unfortunately, it comes over as if they're reflecting the sentiments of the majority. When in fact, very often, they're simply representing the sentiments of the elitist minority. So, to all like Tambourine family, them out there and the Mixup An Blenda crew. A Mixup An Blenda will say straight without apology. No? So I say, let's go and write in and thing and make them know so we voice out there, you know? We voice out there. You see it? We're there up in our juggling, see? I will have break with soon.
They say the greatest sickness in the world is from bad mind. At them same one sell out Jesus for few shillings and kind. But Raga no worry when they try to take your shine. God is your guide every time. Scan them Ragashanti with them here, boy.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Hey, man, welcome back up in the sitting here. It's about 26 minutes to 10 o'clock. That means it's about time for... Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, anything can go so, anything can go so. We're in the United Kingdom where we get some of the real good, can you believe it, thing. And the one that says, church urges couples to pray right before sex. Church urges couples to pray right before sex. That's why some people will cuss me. What is the church going to tell the people? Anybody in that church going to tell people that right, don't really know what sex is about, Anybody come up with a rule, I don't know what sex is about, right? And then when you talk now, them are going to say you're against God and all them foolishness and hold your ransom with them warped reasoning. Make a read a mix-up, though. Newlywed Roman Catholic couples are being encouraged to say a special prayer together before having sex. The specially composed prayer before making love is aimed at purifying their intentions. So the act is not about selfishness or hedonism. Yo, them forget that Tambourine for that one. I'm a car. I don't care about it what I say. Them church people are some mad people. Them don't know what starting out is about. We continue. It appears in the 64-page prayer book for spouses, which has been published by the London-based Catholic Truth Society, reports the Daily Mail. The prayer implores God to place within us love that truly gives, tenderness that truly unites, self-offering that tells the truth and does not deceive, forgiveness that truly receives, loving physical union that welcomes. It adds, open our hearts to you, to each other, and to the goodness of your will. The group has close links to the Catholic Bishops' Conference of England and Wales. Reverend Paul Hendricks, who is the auxiliary bishop of Southwark and sits on the charities board, said he thought the prior's inclusion was brave but good. I suppose it is a bit idealistic, but it is recognizing that God is at the heart of the marriage relationship between husband and wife, he said. It is important for the church to affirm the value of marriage and family life, and I suppose this is a particular way of doing that. The book contains prayers for every stage of marriage and family life, including engagement, planning for parenthood, pregnancy, and caring for children and elderly parents. Now, people, now listen to me, right? There is nothing wrong with the church coming up with prayers for different parts of our development and our relationship. There is nothing wrong with that. And there is nothing wrong with the church coming up with a prayer for sort out. Because this essentially is a sort out prayer from the church. There is nothing wrong with that. But the timing issue is what the problem is here. If in general, them a pray and say, God bless our sort out and things, so it's sell off and things, that is all good. God, give me strength so that I can send on with great impact and effectiveness. That is all. God come into the midst of our union and take over our hearts and let this thing not be said. That is all. But you cannot tell the people them say them have to read a prayer right before them have sex. You can't go so. Cannot go so. That's going to kill the vibes. That's going to kill the vibe. What happened when you have a quickie? What happened when you have a quickie? Right? I am sure God won't mind if you go do your thing. Husband and wife, go do your thing. Do it with a quickness because God made provision for quickies too. Go do your quickie. God not go upset with you if you never do the prayer before the quickie. You can't imagine, boy, baby, I feel it right here. I feel it. No. We need to pray. I don't think so. There's nothing wrong with the church telling people that giving them all prayers for all kind of different things, like whatever. Engagement, planning for parenthood, pregnancy, caring for children, and elderly parents. Yeah, prayers for all of them things there. Wonderful. But don't tell human beings that them have to pray right before them go sort out. That can't work. It's impractical. And it is another distortion of God's wishes and things. There's nowhere in the Bible nowhere in the Bible or any other literature that purports to reflect the sayings of God, where God require. It's certainly not one of the 10 commandments. I don't know. Thou shalt say the prayer before you start. We don't know anything like that. There's nothing like that. And it's another stretch, another human frailty right here. And when I use God in a certain way and thing, and I get involved. Anybody who know what sort out is, and sometime when the heat take in at the moment, and if you're married, and if you're a woman, you're a woman, if you're a man, you're a man, and thing. No one said this thing about praying right before start. Foolishness! God never intend that for you. So don't bother with them nonsense. I bring up them things upon the people. I want my tune, man. Okay. That was...
Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that? Can you believe it?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world, indeed.
Raga, I want you to talk some things for me, cause some of them condition body, I don't want you to give them not even little shampoo, them better go get little latter body.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, proper respect. Welcome back up in our sitting. It's all about Uptown Mixup. Going to the phone lines pretty early today. Our Uptown Mixup was saying, Uptown Mixup, and any mix-up I want to know about, I go on with Uptown now, Uptown people and things. Big up my classes then. We start today. Yeah. Identity and conduct in the dancehall culture, proper class. An intro to socio-cultural anthropology. Good up class. Big up all of my students, them and thing right here at the University of the West Indies. Large up on myself. Yeah. That's how we bring it, I don't know where I can bring it real already, so don't worry on yourself. Okay. Uptown Mix-Up, Want to blaze up some proper mix-up. Don't come in a pop, don't mix-up. Make sure your mix-up sell off. It's all about entertainment. Mix-Up and Blenda. Entertainment to the flipping world. Boom, bang. Okay, here we go to the phone line. Stop for the morning to hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, man, greetings.
How are you?
Yeah.
Uptown Mix-Up.
Yeah.
This is in Constant Spring.
Yeah.
Waterworks.
Yeah. Waterworks.
Uh-huh. Okay, I was coming in one morning. There's a particular neighbor, my auntie neighbor.
Yeah.
She jogs every morning.
She do what?
She jogs every morning.
Oh, she jogs every morning, yes. Yeah. Okay.
So this particular morning, she was jogging and she went around the pool side. Normally she would go around that side.
Okay.
But she saw the side to go around there.
Around the pool side?
Yes. When she went around there, only to see her husband's car park up at a particular female house. So she went and she knocked and she said, hello, when the person came out, she said,
she got knocked on the door?
Yes. She said, I just saw my husband's car out there. Do you see him? Do you have any idea if he's here?
You have any idea where he might be?
Yeah. And the female said, oh, you're talking about Dr. So-and-so. She said, oh, you know him? She said, yes, he's right here. Anyway, she went in and she said, tell him to come home right now. I'm going home.
Hold on. The woman see her husband car park our next woman here. Go knock on the woman door. Ask the woman, listen, I see my husband car park, I don't know what's going on. And then the woman said to her, you mean Dr. So-and-so?
Yes.
And she said, yeah, you know him. She said, yeah, him there. And she said, she tell her woman, they say, if you tell him, say, he must just come home.
Right now.
And then what happened after that?
First, when she reached home, I mean, the extra, listen, as the man come up, I can't believe you went to service somebody else. I'm coding it up.
Yeah, code it up.
Yeah. I can't believe you went to service somebody else when I'm here getting rusty. How can you do that to me?
She tell her husband, say, yeah, quote it up.
Yes.
Say, I can't believe you went to service somebody else when I'm here getting rusty.
Yes.
Ma, tambourine for that one. The tambourine for them talk there.
I hope when I go out and get my service, you don't say anything. So the husband said to him, let us pray, honey. Let us pray. Let us pray for the grace of God.
The husband said, let us pray, honey. Let us pray for the grace of God.
Yes.
Yes, man. Look, you need some prayer, man. And bun figgy and head there, run up your mouth, man. Wait, a real thing you talk about?
A real thing, man.
Yo, you don't know if I'm some downtown woman, and go see all them husband And yes, so them can find out so them husband in and care, whatever. You think them are going to leave at all? Tell him to come home right now. It would be a little different, just a tad bit, like, a couple buckles, furniture broke up and thing. Proper mix up. All right,
I want to big up to my auntie who always cuss you out, but only to find her at Lee's supermarket one morning cussing her radio because it wasn't picking up your station properly.
Them out there. We know them out,
Because it's just really, I can't believe you're listening to him. I can't believe it. He's so disgusting.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, I say at least supermarket early in the morning, beating away. I can't bother with this stupid radio. I can't listen to Ragashanti.
So, man. Yo, the sweetest one I want help her tell about one woman uptown, man. She said, Raga, she don't miss the show. But every morning before she listen, you have to get a serious cussing first. So if you see her do it, you say you're dead. She said the woman said, like she named Lucille. She said, Lucille, you're not turning on that disgusting fellow. That disgusting, awful, nasty fellow. Let's hear what he has. Turn up the radio, Lucille. Let's hear what he has to say. It's disgusting. I can't believe people listen to these things. Turn up the radio.
And I think Mr. Handel needs to get a woman and get a proper start. But I think he's lucky in that.
Okay, yeah.
Have a good day.
All right, then. Go.
Bye-bye.
Because serious doing it, when I lie, it has been known and demonstrated in studies and things. People who now get sat out, them get so frustrated and things, they make other people business bother them, No, honestly. No, people who now get sat out and things, them, all I know what they are on the work and things. Trust me. Just look around right now and think about everybody who work and see if you can pick out who now get no sat out and see if one of them miserable and love up in a people business and text it pan all the young ladies them and all them something. Because nothing now go on for them. It's true. So my man them too. It's true. I used to work one place in the Department of Residential Life, I did have a supervisor there. Nothing now go on for him, man. Anything we do is a problem for him, man. Anything we do is a problem for him, man. The man I tell fame supervisor that I'm dating too much. What the head side that have to do with my work? You gotta tell my bigger boss, fame supervisor, say me I date too much. Say that man I need to get a life. Careless. Next caller. Hello.
Raga?
Yeah.
Hi, morning. How are you?
They are give thanks,
I'm a long-time listener. First time calling you.
Yeah.
With the program. I want to say I love you. You are doing a fabulous job. I was at your show, Mixup An Blenda, but because I'm a Christian, I couldn't come to your birthday bash. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. I understand.
Raga, I need them to leave you alone.
Yeah.
You see what you are doing for us?
Yeah.
They can't do it, and there's no other Jamaican who can take your space, all right?
I will give thanks.
And Raga,
yeah.
I have a boss who's one of them who cuss before she would come and say, you're not turning man. When I hear him have to say this morning, but she cuss. Trust me, she cuss. Yeah?
I know, man. Them out, man.
Yeah, they're there. So I just want to say, keep it up. I love you, and your body looks good.
All right, thank you, darling. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah, man, enough respect. Uptown mix-up. Any mix-up involving uptown people and mix-up or go on uptown. We know so them have some proper mix-up. Not found the help of them when know what go on out the garden now and know the mix-up them uptown. And think, give me a link and make you know the 100 what go on, man. And any other uptown people, if you feel like calling. Talk to Uncle Raka, right? Our whole our reasoning. Everything is everything. Nobody now recognize your voice. Everything cool. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Greetings. Hello?
Morning.
Good morning. Yep.
Oh, my God. It's my first time.
Okay.
Hi.
So what's going on?
I don't really have much to say.
All right.
I'm a bit shy. I have a mix-up, but I'm a bit shy.
Okay.
But that's call back next time.
No, but why you don't want to say a mix-up?
No, a first-time caller.
No, man, you can't say it, man. Make we hear. Just start it and the rest will come. Just start
All right, then. Mm-hmm. All right, I have a friend that live like, them place uptown, right? Them called Beverly Hills.
Yeah.
All right. Me live back Spanish Town way, so, she come to my place and she's my man.
Right, right.
And,
I'm careful. There's something that play behind you, yeah? I want to know why it's a place, so we have to be careful so it don't. If it's something we're not supposed to come over the radio, yeah?
Okay.
All right, then. Yeah, man. Go on, talk. Mm-hmm.
All right, she come at my place now, and you know,
Yeah.
she's my man and thing. Like she come and sit down and all of that.
Yeah.
Like she not sit down good and bear things.
Yeah.
You know, like she see my man like she want my man and bear things.
Okay.
So all right then. Come some bop and they take a chad go around at the river. She around at the river. Meanwhile, my fiancé in at the river, she did it like she have her, you know, her toes them. I play with it. You don't know her.
Right.
Yeah. All right, we come some bop and come up. And she said to me, say, you know, say, your man look like, say, you know, he would have blazed me. Me I say, So me I say, so you want to do a thing with him? She said, yeah. And,
Careful here.
yeah, man.
All right.
And come so bop. And, you know, she go away and she come back one next day. So me I say, so my fiancé I say to me, and, you know.
Uh-huh.
All right. They said to him, say, you that one? I say, yeah, man. You know, so one day, I come so bop and the girl come on my place and me never did it. When I come so bop and pull the front door and go in.
I see.
Know, say, boy, that me say with him.
Careful.
Yeah, man.
But just take that well, just about to give her the details. How it end up? She did that side out your boyfriend?
Yeah, man. I may tell you, I'm go out the door for a piece of thing. I may tell me just start feed it to them. I flies me, I see girl run out. I'm come so bop and run in our Leland and go away.
In our Leland?
Yeah.
Leland?
Yeah, you know them truck there.
Oh, are them truck that she did that drive?
No, like she come with one man here by in our community, but in our Leland truck, she come in her.
So you're Beverly's friend, a thief, your man?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me have a blazer.
So you beat that, where you beat the two of them with boat?
Of course.
Okay, and them cut and run out of the house and beat things. All right. So you have to be careful of them. Anybody will take your man from downtown to uptown.
Yeah, I know that.
All right. A blessings here. The more read the news now. Here.
All right, cool.
I respect for your link, man. Take care. Okay. What am I doing? Boxing news right now. No. Okay, the most send on the news and we'll soon forward to the world.
A mix-up and blender time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Hey, man, welcome back up in the sitting and thing. Is in? Yeah. Mixup and Blenda was the uptown mix-up with that pan right and now it's top of the morning to you. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, greetings.
Good morning, Raga.
What's up?
This is your popular construction worker for any site, Raga.
A lie.
Yes, I.
Are you?
Yes, I'm me.
Are you in the center spread of the chat yesterday?
Where, sir?
Are you in the chat yesterday?
Yeah, could I answer, Raga? You know much more want them to come cut off them lights and put it on back.
Mad, Tambourine. To the world. Are you up to an idea?
No, man, I'm going to look for shopping for my kids and stuff for school.
Okay, see.
Yeah, you don't know. I just want to give you wrist straight up, mellow. Now watch the face. You don't know.
All right.
You're legit. I just want to say happy birthday to my baby, Andriana, next week. You don't know, Raga. I want you bigger up, straight up with the Raga.
All right, long time. Andriana to the world, man. Them for know.
Yes. I'm big on my two sister, them. Jennifer Goddard, Neri. Now watch the face, mellow sister, straight.
You see it. Larger, but be careful on the highway then over here.
No, man. I'm a good man.
All right, then. Proper sitting. Yeah, man. Bless up.
Link it.
Yeah. Uptown Mix-Up. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Good morning, Raga.
Good morning.
I've been trying to get it for the longest while.
See it then, all the thing lock and seal.
Anyway, I'm not giving a mix-up.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you that I listen to your program every day. But my husband is having a problem with your program. Raga, he's at home now. And I said, I'm going to listen to Raga. And he's like, oh, my God, can't you find something else to do? And I'm like, no, I need to know what is happening in Jamaica. This is Jamaica. And he's like, I heard my patients talking about this man Ragashanti, and I can't understand for Jesus' love why these people love listening to Raga. And I said to him, all right, babes, come and sit down and listen to Raga, and at least you will feel rejuvenated for tomorrow at work.
Uh-huh.
And he's like, okay, let me listen to him. So he was listening a while ago to the Mixup with the doctor or wherever there, and he was like, so these are the things that happen on this man's show? Honey, pass me a glass of juice. Let me listen to him right now. He's here killing himself. I have to turn off the radio so he's not going to hear me. I turn off the radio and say, let me talk to Raga first. So Raga, I just want to big up a show, and trust me, the show really keep me going. Even at night when I'm at work, I can't stop listening to your show.
All right, blessings, man.
Thank you
and tell your gentleman, tell your husband that I appreciate that he understand that it's about entertainment. It's primarily about humor, but it's also about exploring certain parts of Jamaican culture where you don't necessarily hear about on the radio on a regular, you know? Okay. So large him up for me and think enough respect to you, yeah?
Yeah, okay, you too.
Yeah, man, blessings and respect. Okay, here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello?
Hello, morning.
Listen, you really need to cut off your radio right now, else I'm going to cut you off.
All right, cut me off.
Hello? 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 See it there? People, when you call, your radio not supposed to be on, and we're not supposed to hearing a radio behind you. It causes great technical difficulties in the studio, and it kills the vibes of the show. We say it every day. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello? Hello? Cut off that. Yeah. Next call. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. How are you, sir?
Yeah, manners and respect.
Yes, my brother. No, me have a little problem, you know, so I'm going to share it with you, you know.
Yeah.
All right, hear me now. Me's a man in a wheelchair, me now, you know.
Okay.
Yes, man. So, why me does, you know,
well, what that play back here there or whatever?
Well, I'm alone at the house, you know.
No, man, we are here some music out of sitting there, man.
All right.
What that?
I'm going to call you back. I'm going to get you to turn off and call you back.
No, man. Somebody can't turn it off. You're alone there.
Yes, man. That me to say I'm alone there, you know, so nobody in the house with me, man.
And what you say, in a wheelchair?
Yes, man.
All right, go ahead, time. I could work with it, though. But and I'm over there Vibes Cartel I play upon the radio.
No, man.
Okay.
Some gospel in my play.
Some gospel in my play. Okay, all right. I could hear what you're saying.
All right, sir. Now, I'm going to tell you something about my life, all right? No.
Yes, sir.
May I seek some help? Here, no, in 2000.
No, but this is not a seek help show, and I don't mean to be rude, but them tell us so we must do it because it will open up the door and everybody start asking, you know, and it change the tone of the show. So management say we enough to do it, yeah?
All right, sir.
All right, but what you do is that give your engine number one away, here, half the year, here?
All right, then, Rock.
All right, then, cool. Our people don't vex because what happened in the past when we do the seek help thing, them, we get flooded. Some of them ridiculous. Like the woman who call and say, them all up and rob all our digital card them where she did a sell. So she asking me for load up digital for gear about the card them. I said, my lady, that can't work, you know. Okay, here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marvel I come from, and I come to tell you about one Mixup. And I find static, but...
Blaze it up. Yeah, man, blaze it up, man.
Yeah, this man know Raga. Last night, him a look him woman, you know. Him no know him woman gone. But after one, you know, Raga.
Him a look for him woman?
Yeah, man.
Him no know where woman there after one?
Yes, so him go down at my cousin yard, no, Raga.
Uh-huh.
And we my cousin, you know, Raga. My cousin live with him, baby mother, and him woman.
No, voila. You say your cousin live with him baby mother and him woman?
Yeah, my cousin.
No, voila. Let me tell you, I can't understand. Voila, I'm confused.
The man, Raga, I look for him woman down at my cousin yard. And my cousin live with him baby mother and him woman.
Oh, your cousin is a man?
Yeah, my cousin is a man.
And your cousin live with him baby mother and him woman?
Yeah, Raga.
So your cousin live with two women?
No, Raga. You not get my man. My cousin live with him baby mother alone and him baby.
And him what?
Him baby mother and him little girl.
So who you refer to as him woman?
No, Raga, I mistake that. So anyway, now the
No, what is the mistake? What is the mistake?
him woman that got the wrong Raga. Him live with him baby mother and him little girl.
And him little girl. Okay, all right. Yeah.
So when him go down, so when the man go down, they know. But after 2, I beat him cousin door in the Raga.
Eh?
I beat down my cousin door, the man.
Yeah.
Woman, I beat down cousin door. I say, whatever, I call him name and I say, open the door now. So my cousin now get up and open the door. When him open the door, the man hold the door and I say, he know same woman in there and him want him woman and this and that.
Yeah.
So my cousin say, I have your woman in here, so you know see me I have my baby mother and my little girl in here. So when him open the door now, when the man didn't know and hold the door, can decide say him now go wait till him get to look.
Yeah.
My cousin say, all right then, come in, come look. Raga, tell me where the man go look first. You can never guess.
Me no know. I went go look for.
In the fridge, Raga. I look for the woman in the fridge. Raga, the way same woman look. She big. And then after...
So she could have wall in her fridge then?
Exactly. Then after I'm looking at the fridge, Raga, I'm going looking at the oven.
Hold on. That man that go your cousin yard to look for him, woman.
Yeah.
And when your cousin finally let him in for look for him, man, he open the fridge and the oven.
Yeah, I look for the
woman.
woman.
Hold on. Why him think like your cousin, if the woman dead, your cousin would have bake him woman or something and then I put her
Raga
another...
was hungry, the man hungry, Raga.
No, that man cannot be of sound mind. He can't be of sound mind.
Raga, then after that, no, him go up on my brother yard. I beat down my brother door. I said the woman in there. And him I go cut my brother out time shoes. Because he knows that the woman dead there and one only for something. The man just come and me gate to Raga. I talk to my mother, say, like him I beg my mother, say, to let go the girl. I claim to sweet up the girl I Raga.
So well, no. You know that man for a long time?
Yeah, man, I know him.
All right. Raga. And the man, and from what you know about him, a man was sensible and thing, don't it?
Yeah.
So they look like the woman now when he can't find her, look like a mad, you know. You know, see, I like him, Edgar. You know, see, I stress him and stress out, and the man snap and go and be a madness and foolish. He can't find him, man. I look for him, man, a fridge and go up. Now, where the puppy? Tambourine. You know, see, I stress I reach him, man, right now.
I don't mean, say, Raga, my phone is still, you know. If you call the phone and one man answer the phone, say, find out him have a work, say, him woman, so no for call back the phone, Raga.
The man answer the phone and say him have a work for female man?
Yeah. No, for call back the phone.
Well, lad, him call female man phone and a man answer and say him have a work for him man. So that man they give him man a good work though. Papa Jesus. Yeah.
My credit have a cut off, you know. Yeah, my one big up my friend them. Yeah, big up the knockers through. Straight from Merle Grove. Yeah, big them up them large.
All right, large up here.
All right, Raga.
Yo, you can't imagine that. After one another man and you can't find your wife. So you call your wife phone. Only for hear a man answer your wife phone and say, well, you want to see your wife, I must look at work right I know. She can't do talk to you, you know. Because she kind of busy, you know. You see me? So, let me tell you what. You'll back about 2 hours, so yeah. By them time, I'm sure she finished the work. And by the way, Jano, your wife are going good, yo. You can't imagine that. He call her the afterward and a man answer your wife phone and say, Chado, you know a good wife you have, my lad. A good wife you have. She sell her. You know what? I don't plan to send her back tonight, but I bounce another day. Yeah? So just go and bill. You see me? Just go and bill because I tell you, say, for real, you know if you pick them adobes. Your wife sell off, man. I tell her, she, boy, I can't talk to you. Hey, I left things are supposed to mash up here, though. No, you can't imagine. No, big and serious. You can't find your wife in the hours earlier, man. Now you call her a man answer and say, I hear your wife at work right now. We can't take the disturbance and things, and nobody call back, you know. And think call back tomorrow in the day when sun out and think at them time they will be cool, you see me? Mad! Okay, here we go. Uptown Mixup. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the man write the article, you see?
Yeah.
You say him did not worry about the qualification you have.
Yes.
No, you see, before you say that, Raga, you have to take note of him qualification.
Right.
Oh, you have a Ph.D., right?
Yeah.
Remember that word there now, neighborhood, right?
Right.
Two word, neighborhood, okay?
Right.
You have a Ph.D.
Yeah.
Him sound like him have a PDH.
A PDH.
Yeah. Partially dead, neighbor. Don't say no more.
Partially. Tambourine. So you say me have a PhD and him have a PDH.
Yeah.
Partially dead.
You got it.
All right, sir. Boy, I don't know why me I tell you say the PhD just that I give them headache, you know.
Me talk to you about that one time about that thing, you know. Me talk to you after year. Remember the time at airport, me talk to you at the whole tour from Calabar all this, you know.
I work cool on my soldier.
Remember we legacy, you know.
Yeah.
Remember say at Calabar all age Louis Bennett used to go.
Oh, for real, yeah.
I remember that we used to go that dialect talking. I was so think that, you know,
mash up festival and them things, yeah.
So you expect to talk?
No. No.
How much time is slow open her mouth and they want to shut her up and she not tap till guess what? Fear thing turn culture.
No, but that me I tell you say them people are wicked. Because Miss Lou meet it, you know.
Of course,
me I tell you the woman suffer. And the so-called intelligence and the bright people, and them give it to her. I watch you know. Them a celebrate Miss Lou, champion of the language and whatever, this and that. So, but again, you know, you see, when them start celebrate her, after she bust and get big, don't.
Yeah.
So if you not bust and get big, them not celebrate.
Hey,
you think if you see and did that do them dance, but I say you must stop them damn foolishness, man.
You notice I saw for start dancing my window.
In my window, me know. Hey, you see, I'm just loosen up and relax. Me said no, man. Me I tell him, man, the man just loosen up and relax. Watch the race, what the other man joke around like. Total you see, I'm the too uptight, man.
Total relaxation.
What did I say about Bob Marley now?
Bob Marley was once branded as a subversive activist.
Yeah.
You remember?
A subversive activist, and other terms meaning like you want to overthrow the government and all them something.
And the same man we ban him, you know.
Yeah.
Remember at Bob Marley funeral, the same Prime Minister will ban him. When only a man and say, Jah Rastafari. You understand how the tables reverse?
No, ma'am. No, we see it all the time. Examples abound in our culture and thing with that kind of double standard from them. And and at the end of the day, you know, it's a rejection of the core self. It's a rejection of the core. The things that are uniquely Jamaican are the things that are abhorred by these people. Trust me.
You see, me tell you already, the Raga. You see what me and you do. We cross the boundary.
Yeah.
We shouldn't up in them space.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
The hurtful thing about me and you know.
Yeah.
If them even catch we a war, so say what?
Yeah.
No problem.
What? Because me talk it to up in
there. They expect now that if they catch your wars, they're going to say, Lord God, me image we can't afford. Please don't say nothing to nobody.
Me can't go Polyrile and sit down and watch and talk to all the dancer them and all them something and whatever. I have no problem telling people I go there.
Because I'm here exposure now. When they say, where you are doing, we're going to say, where you are doing?
Cause we not walk around with no. I try to deny where we come from and our roots and all that. And here's the thing now, but where we different now. You see, them will go back to them roots, you know, but they will only go back there in performance.
Yeah.
In performance.
For sure, a high hand.
Yeah, it must be comedy. And it must be clear that in this space, I am performing my roots for your entertainment. As opposed to the people who live it 24/7.
Raga, I stress out myself in my early days. I try to live above an image, you know.
Yeah.
And I try to forget where I come from, and I try and deny where I come from.
Okay.
I find myself reach out certain levels in society, and one day I find myself, I visit London, I'm there Buckingham Palace, and I say, Lord God, where do you so? And when I look around England, I say, but all me hear about England, Lily White and so forth, this place, the wall, them dirty, I set up half hour watch a white man clean out a garbage pan, and my upbringing was that a black man alone do them thing there. I said, no man, sitting wrong. I ever see the advertisement that say break free? Break free, Raga.
May I tell you?
We start laughing and run joke and
free up now.
I was all in a management position at a company, and the man him said, boy, you're not a team player, because I just start my mind.
Okay.
Whether you have bakes, yes or no, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Me not holding back no more. Because I used to hide certain things. I mean, I want to say certain things. I mean, say, no, man. It's almost like prison without bars.
Yeah, no, I went through something like that too, you know. It's like, you know, a moment of epiphany and thing where it's just like an immediate realization and thing. But when I was training to be a psychotherapist, you know, my masters and thing, and then you come upon all these clients where I go through them thing and whatever, and you know, people come to therapists when they're unhappy about something. And things after a while you start to assess, you know, what defines happiness and what you're comfortable with and thing. And I realized that my happiness lies in being comfortable with where I came from.
Thank you, because
and not denying that space. I am happy. I am very happy. I say, dirty lady, where you say my brethren, but no, said all the liquor. I am happy.
Because that are you.
That is who I am. And my friends understand it and I'm cool with it. No, I'm not gonna come on who get film Ph.D. and thing and say more and bunks it differently. Because I'm probably happy that way, you understand? But who are you to deny me the right to be happy the way that I am happy?
No, man,
and given that there are other people out there who want to be happy that way, who are you to tell us that we should not be? And we're Jamaicans, we're citizens, and we have a diversity here. And you have your background and we have our background. Your background is represented in another program, the vernacular, the language there, and so probably a Monty Perkins, Arville Taylor, Barbara Gluten. No, well, probably not Arville, Brook Valley him come from too. And thing. You know what I say? But people deliver them things differently. And that may work for you. You have a choice. You understand? We over here, so we are dealing with comedy, we are dealing with entertainment, and we're exploring different aspects of what it means to be Jamaican, the life of Jamaican, the worldview of Jamaican. And we are doing it through our aesthetic. We are doing it through our language, through our style, through how we go on.
But no,
you understand?
Your joke me running around because trust me, I see enough killing and things for last me a lifetime. I remember saying I spoilers in the early days, you know, was we see politicians manipulate the youth, them turn the place a total war zone. In the evening, them sit down and drink champagne. You understand me?
You see it.
And we have a whole heap of great people come from the spoilers, and a whole heap of professors too, you know, including the other people. You understand me? But what me have as two people is that we need to get the mural of these people who pass through spoilers. Don't on the wall and for the youth, them walk past every day and say, okay, this is a professor so and so.
No, here is a problem though. A lot of those people don't want you to know where them coming from. You know?
Them don't know, because you have a lawyer out there right now, trust me. If you talk to him initially, you know, and you say, where is your community? Everything you do is I can go down and go hands up to them. And that's not a real contribution. A real contribution is we go down there and sit down with you and say, listen, there's another life to this life here, you know.
Cool, man.
You understand me? We pass street and on a fairy tale we are talking about, we live it.
You see it.
You understand me? Where them not realize there was a certain amount of standard within Ghetto people. People used to get up at morning time, brush up them place, sprinkle it with lime water. When near Christmas,
no, man, it's still going, man. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going.
You understand me?
It's still going. It's still going.
Yeah, me see it.
Yeah, it's still
you
going.
Understand me?
Yeah.
So them not understand the quality of life there. You see my deal?
No, but you see the thing is we're at a point now where we shouldn't even not get caught up in anything or try prove anything to them, you know, because of that.
Thank you.
We shouldn't even try. I said, why them don't do this? Why them don't leave it alone? It is not within their capacity to let it go. So by doing that, you're actually empowering them. What we do is make it burn them, cost them out more time, ignore them, and just go and do a thing. And don't see them and make them see we.
St. Francis of Assisi say, you know, the more you compare yourself with others, you become vain and bitter.
You see it?
We spend so much time in this fool class thing and who better than who. You have some people bread raised to $500 a loaf tomorrow. Them going to the supermarket to buy 5 just to show you so they can buy 5.
Yeah.
You understand me?
But tell me something though. It has always been the case, and I'm interested. I mean, last thing here. You ever notice that in societies the world over, when you have a group that is reviled and people look down upon them and all them something, that if that group is happy and I do them thing and successful in their own right, that the so-called group of things that them have idiot and whatever, they cannot ignore them.
No.
Why is that? Why is that?
They don't become a curiosity.
No. What I'm saying, should it not be really easy to just ignore me?
Yeah. But it can't because of their mindset. They can't do it. Because
okay.
Why are you happy? You don't have what I have.
Why so many people happy over there? Yeah, don't it?
You understand me?
Yeah.
There must be something wrong over there.
Yeah.
I need to go over there and educate them about what real happiness
Right, because all of them must be a set of idiot over there. You know.
Why are they laughing so much?
Why them a laugh so much? And you know, and it's Ragga fault because it's Ragga make them a laugh so much and now uplift them. It's Ragga make them a talk about sort out. It's Ragga make them a do all kind of thing. It's him a lead them wrong, man, and whatever.
They need to read some of them books that they had written back in the 60s that show Jamaica as a highly sexual society.
Extremely sexual society. Extremely sexual society. And there are quite a few schools of thought that, you know, who are proponents of the thesis of sexual determinism. You know, from Margaret Mead, you know, the renowned anthropologist and all them people and so forth. So if you really want to understand society, just understand the social cultural constructions of sexuality and you know what really are going. You can understand economics, power. You can understand social relations, aesthetics, religion and so forth. I think, but Jamaica is not. Them are going like a Ragga started. Ragga expose it.
Ragga, me tell you this thing. Me tell Buju, you know, you need to ignore people because you see the more Buju pay the gay people in mind by singing against them, it make them stronger.
Yeah.
So if you allow them, because guess what?
Yeah.
The same people them we are lick against daggering.
Yeah.
And I mean, I say dancehall and ghetto people always the things right. Can me come from down there, so we know there are certain things you have to look at them and say, oh, what that? But the same people who lick out against this so-called low subculture, you ever see when them are put together a marketing campaign to advertise something?
Mm-hmm.
So naked, half naked woman.
That's why we draw the broadcasting commission with Carnival, and them have to come out and admit it. With them hypocrisy.
So half naked woman where you do even them give them on calendar for putting in your house. So you know why?
Yeah, why them not gonna like me? You don't wanna know. You have some with all due respect. You have some intellectuals here with them big degree right at the university and them burn out daggering too, you know. Cause them say daggering is the most awful thing, this and that, blah blah blah. And the students them come to them, but sir, them a do that and them not stop look we the student them in them class.
Ragga, my daughter.
This a female student. I tell me.
There.
Yeah, your daughter.
Student.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And when she look for me and call, so and say, Daddy, them one day and them one day, them disgusting because that and that and that. Me say, what?
I look the people and woman I look the people them daughter and I burn out daggering and I move to the people them daughter and I give it to me. Them are hypocrite, you know. Them can't talk to me. You know. Them have to see me and cut them hair and drop them head when me I walk past. When I go calabash and thing, I see some of them there and them drop them head and thing and go have them meeting with them women's organization with the broadcasting commission and this and that. Them can't talk to me.
Them
any day, me invite them on the show ya. Any day them want to call in and talk the things them. We can have a civil discussion on the matter.
That's why them not like you, Ragga, because you can go up to them level.
Don't say up to.
Well, go to their level.
Right. We can move horizontally.
You understand me? We can be metaphoric because their up really is our lateral. So,
right.
You know, we can play power just like them.
Right.
You understand? But
that's your word, man. What they are, we strong, you know. What they are? We are doing entertainment thing, Mixup and Blenda, we say. I saw the thing set up. All right?
I'm going to give you my uptown mix-up now.
Yeah, but rinse it quick.
You know, say, as I get to you with certain things, you know, you get exposed. So you start to stand back and look and say, wow. So when we just start go uptown, we get involved with our uptown woman, you know.
Yeah.
Enough woman.
Yeah.
So my wife now listening, you know. Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah.
Long before she's still. One night now, things are going on, I will say, all right. She give me the car for drive. I never realized it. I just left high school, but through me I play football and.
Oh, yeah, one of them star boy, the man. Yeah. Yeah.
So I go so boom now and circle on a swallow field. One of them little place there. You understand?
Uh-huh.
And when we reach there now and park up now, she go pay for me key and everything. She said, where is this place you carry me to? What is this you doing? This is what you think of me? I don't understand you. One piece of lecture in there, you know, Ragga, that me I tell you, say everything dropped tongue looking at me, you know, me say, Lord God, what this me do?
Mm-hmm.
Well, she didn't know. She said, what you waiting for? Go pay the woman and get the key, no one.
Go pay the woman and get the key.
And that's not what I said.
That's our word, man. A blessings here.
Yeah, man.
Protection straight. Okay, people, I want to break right now. We're soon forward to the world.
Ragga inna the area, rule over all, flex with the baller, no man parlor, game where a fee, me no know where the stall for. You know see him status getting taller. Ragga, we ignorant for them, we not look pan them. You know it's Queen Paula, aka Miss Universe.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our thing. A real down to earth sitting. And we say gutter comedy. Gutter comedy, see it? This is the gutter comedian. We embrace it. We embrace our negative labels and turn them into positive. Here we go now. Top of the morning to your Uptown Mixup. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Greetings.
Morning.
Yeah.
How you doing? Remember the other day, me call you tell us that the girl, me can't catch a man naked in the house.
Hello? Me no remember that one there.
Last week, sometime, I can't catch a man naked in the house and the girl run out, man.
Yes.
You know, say girl teeth me frack, Raga.
Well, on, the girl ready run out teeth your frack?
Yes, Raga.
How you know she teeth your frack?
Raga, you know what she do? She's a big woman. She is about 200 and hard pound. Me care about 100 pound.
You weigh what weight? You weigh 100 pound? And the woman where your husband a born you with is that where your man a born you? Is that 200 pound woman? Yes, Raga. So what she a doing in your frack it now go fit her?
Yeah, Raga. You know the frack was stretch.
Yeah.
And one of them frack them have now also one white frack.
But how you know she teeth your frack?
She teeth she only one man a go there, Raga.
No, but it don't make sense if the frack can't fit her. What she a go do with the frack?
She go in it, Raga.
Well on, so you find out is who? You did find out is who your man a born you with?
Me know her, Raga, me know her.
Well on, you're not answer me no. Did you confirm say is she did in your house that day there?
She did in there, Raga. Only woman that a go at my house, Raga.
Oh, you know say she a go at your house. Oh, you know.
Me know her, Raga, me know her.
But you not tell me how you know. You just tell me say you know. You not tell me why you know or how you know.
She come next door. And in time, you know, that she got there, Raga. I'm see her, Raga. I see her, but me never see her go over here. And I tell her.
Hold on, you're still telling me what you think she do, but you're not telling me why you think she do it or how you know say she a do it.
Raga.
Did somebody tell you? Did you video her? What you do? Did somebody?
No, somebody tell me say she a go there, but me never lucky to see her, Raga.
Then that if you tell me long time, so somebody tell us say other woman they a go your yard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody tell me, Raga, and you see frock when me put on a frock, a white frock. You see a lot of them look funny, but me say this is a bigger me man. Me take him say, you sweet, are you woman frock this man, are you woman frock me a van? So me take it over yesterday, me burn it, Raga. You know what she says? She wear it come the Raga and take off here and take up to me and gone with it. And wear for me come out.
Well,
because it's stretch.
So the one where you did wear, I know you're a frock that.
And my frock, Raga.
Which one you say you take off and burn? Are you a frock?
No, Raga, no, my one is a bad color white frock, Raga, like my one.
Oh, but it's still like you.
You can't wear two of me.
And it's still like your one, though.
Yes, it's a frock like mine.
So put it on and then you realize that it weigh a bit. And your one.
Yeah.
And so you realize that the 200 pound woman come in there, come stretch out your frock.
Yeah, my one and put on fair one, Raga.
But that is slackness if she take a man where she stretch out your frock from.
She teeth you and gone with you and put on fair stretch out one, Raga.
And put on fair stretch out one and take your good frock.
Raga, yeah.
And take your good frock and left fair stretch out frock.
Yes, Raga.
Okay. No, that is awful. That is awful.
Raga, if you see her, she's sweet looking, Raga.
She's sweet.
Half Indian girl, Raga. Me I tell her, say, one big man tell me, say, girl, let me tell her something. You see, if a dog go to that and asks her a question, she say yes, because she loves sweet potato.
Okay.
Trust me.
Okay. All right then. Anyway, so take care of yourself and you watch them frock the way you wear here.
Yes, Raga, take care of yourself here.
All right then, mums.
Buy somewhere we can't stretch again, you know.
You gotta buy one of them frock that we can't stretch. Buy some non-stretch frock, yeah man, and non-stretch jeans, and non-stretch underwear to connect. Again, when she put her undergarment.
I mean, I forgot to check for me them if they're gone and I panty them.
Yeah, check your panty them. I don't blame you. Check your panty them because some of them them now move right.
Yeah.
Them come at the man yard and I take your man and thing and I'll wear the wife underwear. Slackness. So check them.
Yes,
all right.
Them, you know?
Okay, good.
So take care of yourself.
You take care of your putos and good checking. Yes, good. Here we go. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Yo, Raga, greetings.
My respect, sir.
To the world, man.
Long time.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, you see that man we talk about Miss Luan, the icon, them?
Yeah.
He get to me, man.
How he get to you?
He get to me, man. You see how the man talk?
Yeah.
The man talk reality.
Oh, Zin.
You see certain people, how
Mhm.
you talk, Raga?
Yeah.
You go and take them one next 100 years to say, one good man is about to talk named Ragashanti, you know.
Yeah.
You see Christine with all in the attack.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They don't stay too long, you know.
Okay.
Because you're not supposed to talk the unbroken talk. You're supposed to talk we up to talk.
Yeah.
All right, we don't need that.
Yeah.
So you take yourself and talk where you talk.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Why do we think?
Nobody lift up and change your talk. When you come to talk good in a Raga, you can't talk good.
Yeah.
But if you are chat, you just a chat.
Yeah, we talk
All right.
different.
Yeah, man.
Different. No,
So
not
you
good
call
or bad, but different. We can't talk.
different, you
We
know?
can't talk different.
If you
Because
have
we are
a-
a multilingual society, you know. We can't talk different languages, and there is nothing wrong with that. It's just that some people put some label upon some languages and some lifestyle will go with the language and thing, but we not look upon them.
You know, so Raga, me go American.
Yeah.
And we say the American and talk fast.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And when me a talk, you know me have to talk more, I say no understand. Me and my brethren talk some gypsy. Oh, they start opening here and I talk, and I look on here. Look me the care, Raga.
Mix it up on them. Yeah, man.
Raga, we talk some gypsy, me and my brethren, man.
Yeah.
All right, Raga, this is our mix up now.
Yeah.
A country mix up, you know.
Yeah.
And man, I really can sweetheart.
Yeah.
So, go at the yard, go sleep. Boom, the man wake up the morning and say, chop, I go, man. Check up, the sweetheart shut and put your hand.
Okay.
The T-shirt, you know?
Yeah.
The man wearing T-shirt and put your hand. Team yard. Put on that and everything, Chris. So, that one I originally had no wash. And he take up the shirt and said, no, man, that shirt is not for you, man. Where you come from? You know, I had to go in a fire and a light and I chop off our finger and say, I know he come there. And that's why we live there. You understand? So, I know a shot.
Yeah.
Man say, all right, that's not funny.
Uh-huh.
You see, next day,
Yeah.
mate come in the my yard, come buy something at the man shot to the man.
Mate, you know, say I feel a mate that do it deliberately.
Well, it can be.
No, man.
You must know, say, the man, after the man shot.
Yeah. No, man, she know.
You must know, say, after the man shot, they're not supposed to be a girl.
Yo, no, that cool, man. Hey, I forget I made to that tambourine. You know? No, man. So matey wear the husband shot, gone to the wife place, can buy food. I make the woman see. Say her husband close, they on matey and thing. Mash up wife here, man. Hey, have some bare face mate out there. You see it?
Cool, man.
All right, bless up for that one there, yeah?
Take care of yourself, man.
All right, then,
man,
protection. I might have some mate, man, bright. But we still want to make an appeal to the mate them out there who are move cool and who can't fight. I was some things lately, you know. Hey, if you're not going to do some cool things, and make sure you can defend it. Make sure you can defend it. You see, they hear them say if you're going to take somebody man or take somebody woman or thing, make sure say you can't turn up strong when the heat reach, you know. So it things said. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Get bright.
To the world.
Silly season again.
All right, man.
Virgo time.
Yeah, man.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir.
Happy birthday to Professor Nutt.
Okay.
It's his birthday today.
All right.
And by the way, you see the lady, what you say the man go all night, the person going at the fridge and all about and I look.
Yeah.
Watch this now. This man going yard.
And
of course his wife is being sought out.
Right.
Step on the veranda and the man here.
Who here?
The man inside.
The man inside who I do the, who I sort out the man wife here when the
this is uptown.
And this is uptown.
So the man fly the door and run out. The husband go inside.
Right.
And him start to look around.
Right.
He look on the bed and him look on the ground. And then him start to cry. And
So,
him look on the
what?
wife.
Him never see the man when the man run out.
Yeah, but him not interested in that.
Okay.
Listen to him interested in that.
Yeah.
Him look here and him look there.
Yeah.
And him turn on and him look on him wife and him say, where the condom there?
Okay.
What him say?
Where the condom there?
Where the condom there?
Mm-hmm.
Because him want him have a problem too much with she being sought out, you know.
It's just that whether or not she protecting herself.
Good. And him, it look like him look good for the man when the man a come out. And I see no condom.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
Now, I'm going to tell you something about you now. You're contagious. And because of that, you're going to get a fight here, there, and everywhere. But when we don't tell you, say, take it easy. You understand? Where you make your gun? By the way, did you know that Miss Lou did go to Excelsior also?
Oh, I never know that.
All right. Did you know that Durvan Malcolm went to Calabar?
Yes.
He was up there yesterday.
Okay.
And he attack which part Calabar originate. Did you know it's Trelawney?
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
Rabalak to the world.
Long time.
You all right, brethren?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Not another word.
Not another word, never. Protection. Okay. One more call, you know. Uptown Mixup. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
What's up?
First I'm gonna comment about your video.
The call him low. Yeah, what you saying now the video with Kukudu?
Yes, man, you're mad it up, man.
You see it? I work, you know.
Yeah, when we get it from Kukudu Saturday night, man.
Yo, you know, so we need to put it on the internet and all them something.
It's large, man, may I tell you, man.
That work. Now my big up Kukudu in my boss, you know. Who in my phone card to need to shout him to, you know.
First, me tell you, mix up first before me tell you who.
Yeah.
The dance and party mix up, that's why I get it from that week.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not like Raga, I'm not take this girl, man.
Okay, you were taking this girl, man. Yeah.
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
So, she always confirm about the arguments and everything.
Yeah.
So, I'm kind of blush her off.
I wear it, just deny it.
Yes, we deny it.
So, you did that take her, man, but anytime she that ask you deny.
Yes.
Okay.
Until now, when me come down to matter and she start get in a different way, me start like, yes, me I take your man.
What you mean? No, you have to give us some details there, so in a way.
Yes, all right, Raga.
She start move to you and attack the things, them.
Yes, said she hears me and her man there and Ray. So she come violent me now. So I tell her, yes, me and your man there.
Okay, so you make her know straight up.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now, can't tell us all of the details behind we.
But you can't tell her what you can't tell her, do.
All right, yes. So end up got this party now, Raga.
Yeah.
Never know so the girl did it.
Yeah.
So me and my mother go now. So we have a party and thing now. So we have pass and look on the left hand side, me see her with her man. The girl arc and pit now.
You see her with her man. This is the man where you attack, no?
Yes.
And then she can spit when you pass. Yeah.
Yes, Raga. So mother said me was argue with her, go where I go.
Yeah.
So we go in at the dance and thing. So me do fist fight and go back out the road with my friend now. So she did that talk up to her man, say man push her off her car and drive leave her.
Well, the man when she there will push her off her car and drive leave
her? Yes, Raga.
Okay. What can she do that cussing?
Yes, I put on the man and I go on.
Is it?
The man drive leave her off now. So we bust out a laugh now.
Yeah.
Go back in her party. So my cousin said the girl they back here, you know. So I say, let's not look behind me because I have a Guinness back now. I'm not like Raga.
Okay.
And I'm going to a party now and so I stop on my mother now. The girl choked me. Never send on to her no Raga.
Yeah.
The girl choked me now. So
yeah.
My mother said, wait, I was going.
Yeah.
Yeah, grip me long time.
Yeah.
So now I started to get a curve now. So mother said, wait, I was this. So mother grab on for her too.
Yeah.
So mother grab on for her because mother said, beat that. I'm not telling me Raga yet.
Yeah.
Beat that. So we didn't know. So I have a Guinness back on me and I'm out flicker the Guinness back now. I look say, boy, Raga. She's a law officer.
Is that what?
She's a law officer.
Oh, she's a police?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. So you take one policewoman, man?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. So you never want to whap the policewoman head because...
No, because you know I'm getting into trouble.
Yeah, because I don't know certain things to reach you back with our link them, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
So we didn't know the party and say, if I get big now.
Yeah.
Nah, like, if I get large.
Yeah, man. Go down to the hard part now.
Yeah, man. So we're there. Let me turn it now also.
Come now, darling. You call out
yes,
the thing.
So they're partner how they are fight and thing now. So a man coming in at the party and I say, Ray. So they chuck him man. So the man I said, this no call for and things, so she grabbed me back long time, That's not some years she and a liquor, so she kind of drunk.
Yeah.
She now worried the man that she grabbed me long time again.
Mm-hmm.
So when she grabbed me down, and so I said, no man, because me no want top no where no have no sleeve.
Yeah.
So when she grab on pan that now everything exposed.
Right, uh-huh.
So me decide to me now watch that because me now go call in a neighborhood still,
Yeah.
So me say me now go with a girl beat me in the neighborhood and laugh for me still.
Yeah.
Anyway, top off his shirt and they fight now our family and come down and I fight now and thing. This Raga is one time when me take a second and look across so. She never know you, but Raga I'm not sure me I do.
Who never know what?
Never no hair, no shirt, no slippers, nothing at all. She never on.
She never know here. What do you hear? You pop out her here?
Pop out the clean, Raga. Clean.
You pop out her falls here?
Clean.
Clean. Just to turn out the ball because the falls here pop off on it.
Yes.
And she never know here. She never know.
No top, blood top tear up. But Raga,
so you chamber, man.
This time my mother kill it, Raga.
Okay.
So and when we go cross road and in party and everything, she over there saw about me a suck me on, I can't say that word. Me a lesbian.
Yeah.
Because me bite her on her breast. And
that
she about me lock. So me bite her on her breast.
But how it end up?
Well, end up gas station and she end up lose her work over it.
She lose her police work over it?
Yes, Raga.
Okay. Why? What them say? She was it?
She at more one time she come up from me have a business place, right?
Yeah.
And she keep on coming there more one time. So we got this station and then give me a letter to go to another place in Kingston.
Okay. Okay.
But I got this station go talk about her police. They hype on me and run me out and
all right. That is another part of it and thing. But you stop take him though?
Recently.
How recent?
About a week now.
I'm going to get a time. You know, say you're a man still a sort out though, don't you?
No,
hold on. What you say? In a little way?
Yes.
In a little way?
Yes.
Okay. Explain to me what's the difference with starting out in a little way or in a big way.
Well, Raga,
yeah.
We know public with it again.
Okay, so
that's the little way.
The thing hold on though.
I know, when I say a week.
Yeah.
Because you're Raga and sick and in their home. That's why I call it a week when I see him.
Okay, so as in get better again, I want to that again, don't?
We have it just like
mad and thing. But him there with her still?
Yes, them live together.
Okay, them live together and still, and you still take him in a little way.
Yeah, but she's not here no man. She says she's too nagging, man. That's a problem.
Okay.
When woman have them man, then if you can keep them man good, the woman would have history.
The man would have history. The man wouldn't have history if the woman never move right, no?
If they move right, enough history. Yes, when you nag a man about a thing, man.
Yeah, if
it's a nag a man about, you have a woman DNA. That's cool, man.
What you say? If a woman and nag a man and she quarrel, some man can't tank her or something, after a while, the man will end up take her next woman. That's
then that me I tell her.
Okay. And that she a go on with? And that she a go on. So she a run around man, is that what you say?
All right. Yes, Raga, because even when me and her in an argument, she go a party and see me, she go home go cuss the man.
Go home go cuss the man, just because she see you?
Just because she see me.
Okay, so she need to control herself.
She need to just calm
down. But real quickly though, we have to go to another caller, but what am with you and this man now? Where you see it end up?
Well, Raga, me just on and off thing. Me not straight up thing with him again.
Okay.
So I can't bother this war and the contention and I can't bother with him.
Okay. So, but why you stay with him? What's the two main reasons why you stay with him?
Well, Raga, he's a nice person still, you know. I know say money are the part.
Okay. Him is a nice person and the money is the other part. So he must send her money and him is a nice person.
Yes.
Okay, so that is why you stay with him. Him nice and money I send her.
Yes, Raga.
All right, then. Blessings, respect for being honest, yeah?
Okay.
All right, then. Blessings and respect, man. Take care.
All right.
Him is a nice person and the money I send her. That's why I love my call and them, you know. So some of them bossy woman, you know. He's a wonderful, engaging personality. I call her them to talk to you. I got to sort out proper and the money I send her and so now left it. Yeah, that's that. You see, them just bring it honest and thing to the world, man. Here we go. Top of the morning to your Uptown Mix-Up. We need some Uptown Mix-Up. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Rather morning. Ask them to turn you up, please, because they're extremely low.
Okay. You mean my voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Anyone of the lowest fan, though.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, turn up my voice again to call at them say well low. Them not hear me too well. Okay, here we go. Go and talk now.
I wanted to give a mix-up, right? But I want to talk to somebody, talk about something else, and I just want you to accommodate me.
All right, let's hear it.
So I've been listening to the program for a while, and whenever it is that an article like the one that was written yesterday comes out, it's like it stirs up something in me, right?
Yeah.
All right. I think when I think about the uptown people that you're talking about, right, I always think about the education system in Jamaica.
Right.
And, like, I don't think that the education system in this country is geared towards people who are from a certain background.
Why would you say that? Why would you
All
say
right. Let me talk from personal experience. Like, personally, I think that education has destroyed me.
How so? How so?
Somehow. Okay. I grew up in the ghetto, right?
Right.
In Kingston.
Mm-hmm.
I went to a primary school in Waterhouse.
Right.
So they said that I was bright from everything. I could do my work and stuff. And I passed for a traditional high school in Kingston.
Right.
Now, when I went to that traditional high school, I was extremely happy with myself and everything like that. But, like, when I went to school, everything about me was rejected.
Oh.
And I recognized it from first form. So the way you spoke,
everything about you in the sense where you come from, where you grew up,
you came from,
everything
right.
you get to background,
right,
was rejected.
Everything, completely everything. The way you spoke, everything at all. So it's like first form, it's like subconsciously, I recognized that I had to change me.
Right.
You know, and I mean, it created a battle because I couldn't function at home anymore.
Right.
Because I started to speak different and I just couldn't really, like when you went home, there was just conflict because you really couldn't be the person that you were at school.
Oh, okay. Because you got to adapt this new persona now.
Right.
And you probably have to start look down upon where you come from now and I said that is not progressive and all them little thing there.
Right. And start telling my mother, no, we're not supposed to eat right there and whatever. Don't let my little sister eat on the streets and all of that.
Okay.
And stuff like that. And even you recognize that if you're presenting something in class, if you don't speak a particular way, nobody wants to hear you.
Okay.
So anyways, now went through high school, went to university, I went to UA, right? And it was the same thing.
Yes.
The very same thing, right? So I decided, I think it was in my second year, I went on one of the work programs, right?
Right.
And then it was like when I was away, I craved everything for Jamaica, and the things that I craved wasn't anything that I was taught at school. You know, I wanted the reggae music and all of that.
Okay.
I experienced racism, so I wanted to talk the way I used to talk before, and you know,
right,
like even when we were there, we never really wanted white people to understand what it is that we were saying. We start off hot war, you know, and it really, really, really felt good, and I couldn't wait to go home.
Right.
And you know, what I wanted to return to is to your show and everything like that. And I started listening to the show and thing, and I think in my second year, I started doing different courses.
Right.
So I did your course, I did Caroline Cooper, I did Dr. Sonia Nair, and I did Donna Hope. You know, just change the courses that I did all together. And it was good for me, you know, and I started listening to the show, and as they talk about the epiphany, it was great because it's like you just realize something totally different and you start embracing where you came from.
Right.
And all of them up to Raga, I've been friends with people from Beverly Hills and stuff like that. And let me tell you, them prejudice, bad.
Really?
Yes, they are. Extremely prejudiced. Them don't want them pitney talk to nobody unless you come from a certain background. You understand me? Because even my best friend, right, she was from Uptown. We're still best friends right now.
Right.
She's studying law in England. And they didn't want her to be friends with me.
Because of where you came from?
Because of where I came from. And it hurts when I think about it now. And as you get older, you can understand things differently. You know? And I mean, it hurts when you look back at it because I was a good girl.
Right.
But immediately, where you come from? Oh, Shabbat. So you come here now for come broke out, whoever. And the funny thing is that sometimes some of them pitney even worse than you.
Cool now?
Worse than you. I've met friends, them crazy. Crazy. Even though them have them little drink up, as they talk about Uptown Mixup, them have them little drink up. And you wouldn't want to know what going on in some of them drink up there.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay. All right, but listen now. What I'm glad, is that you took a hold of the process in terms of you being educated, and you defined your education and thing. A quick question: do you think the University of the West Indies appreciates students from what we call ghetto? You think? Yeah?
That's an easy answer, Raga, and
What?
everybody knows it's no.
What? No?
Of course.
The University of the West Indies does not appreciate the ghetto life and people from ghetto.
No.
So based on what you are saying, is that your experience at UWI was that they rejected that background?
From high school, go straight up to the University of the West Indies.
They rejected that back.
Exactly.
But there are a lot of people at the university who talk about diversity and multiculturalism and all them something there. And,
no diversity. No diversity.
No, what I'm saying is, if your statement is true, then it means that a lot of what is being said on the university is a lie. It's hypocrisy.
Completely so, and we know this.
You're sure?
We know, of course. We know this.
All right.
I'm not lie.
All right. I was just interested to get your feedback on that. But hold on, we're going to break, make them read the news, and you come back and give it a mix-up here.
All right.
All right.
Scan them Raga, what do them always say mix up and blend that spice I represent all the things them.
A mix up and blend that time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, welcome back. Uptown Mix-Up with the pan. I will still have a call online. We're going to blaze our Uptown Mix-Up right now. Send on.
Yes, Raga. I don't want to give the mix-up anymore, but in closing, I just want to encourage you to keep on, all right?
All right, then. Blessings here.
All right.
All right, you take care then.
Yeah,
Man.
man.
All right, bless them. Man, no one going to get it from the people at my university, man. Can't time the people them call and them free up and talk the truth. So it always go. That's why somebody from the university end up assuming, that people them call, and the woman did call and talk about her experience with rape. And then she come load me up and thing. One thing lead to another. Me give it back to her. I load her back and I be a things. Now she assume me. We're going to court next year, April. Last week in April. Interesting. Because I dared to talk about rape on campus. Alright. No one can cuss me out. Why are you talking about rape on campus? You know, if you talk about them things, if you shut up and know your place, I saw them juggle on a place, man. Them. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, greetings.
We are going to court for.
Now, one woman, when I get to echo your yarns.
Yeah, one echo did it.
Yeah. I lady up here soon, man.
See what?
Come me come on the radio, come talk about rape on campus.
The echo still did it, the phone no clear up.
Yeah, check. You ain't deal with it. All right. Uh-huh. You still there a little bit, yeah. Yeah, man, go on talk.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm me. Lord, I mix up on my side.
Yeah, it's a call a low now. Aye. Come on, people. Check. Aye. Hold on. What go? Check.
Me, I hear you.
Yeah, I just the echo thing, man. It's kind of throw you off, All right, yeah, man. Go on now. Mix up on your side.
Yes, mix up on my side.
Yeah.
My people come in and fly out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come in and fly out.
Yes.
Why? What happened?
No man, income was Tuesday night last week.
Yeah.
But me went there town.
Yeah.
So my daughter called me and tell me to call him. So me call him. So weekend and me weekend off. So me come down Friday night.
Yeah.
So me come down Friday night. No go on still though,
Right.
Friday night when me come down. Two we did have a cuss out long time.
Okay.
He saying I come back, yeah. And that saying I come back in my house.
Okay.
Friday night when we go at the setup, guys, I mean, for meeting around at the setup yard.
Yeah.
So we go around there and after the setup now when we come home.
Yeah.
I think the man go drop me home and go about his business. I see the man drop me home and take out his suitcase out I can't.
Him drop you home and take out him suitcase out time car.
Yeah, take his suitcase out I can't.
Oh, so him come for stay.
So when me looking come for stay.
Okay, so no good again.
No, we are going on because my mom says in renewing the filing and things like that.
Okay.
So we cannot link up. Everybody say, you know, if we make when he face with me get to me,
yeah,
we must just go with the flow.
Yeah.
And use up the opportunity.
Yeah.
Yeah. But me not see myself going that way to get the opportunity. But to everybody I tell me, because even my boss I tell me about it the other day, so I decide on going with it.
The opportunity for go foreign.
To go foreign.
So then I say, must just behave yourself since my file feel.
Right, see that in my file and go through with it.
So that you can go foreign.
Right.
Okay, so what you are going to do?
So what am I going to do?
Yeah.
I'm tell you, I'm not comfortable with it, but me are going.
Okay.
Right.
So how long him stay when he come?
So what?
How long him did stay when he come?
You mean the last time?
Yeah.
He come wow. Tuesday night and he spend couple days of time in family and then he spend the rest of the couple days with me because me no going back to work yet this evening me I go to work.
Oh, okay.
Right, so when he's there, me have to call the young one and tell the young one say don't show up.
Okay, so when him come in, him had a file, him my man who a file for you. And you're a look a young boy where you there with right. You know. You'd have to call, you're a look a young boy and tell him say he can't show up.
Right.
How him did feel about that?
No, well, to be honest, me never hide it from him. Me tell him everything. He tell me from inside, me tell him my side.
Okay, so you're look a young spooky. Him know say you have a big man a file for you.
Right, he know all of that.
So when him know say when the big man come in, him have to behave himself and hold him corner.
Right, but still yet, Sunday no.
Yeah.
True, we always have breakfast on weekend.
You and the young one?
Me and the young one.
Yeah.
When me come down, them not tell you it already.
Yeah.
Me never comfortable with him out there not having breakfast. Because me not like when he have to go a restaurant 24/7 for him, you know?
So what you do?
So?
So what you did do then?
So me just fix breakfast and call him Sunday for it.
Hold on.
When the Huzzy gone out, the Huzzy gone up my family yard. So me just fix breakfast and call the young one for it.
So your husband who you married to or whatever, would they have foreign and a file for you, your husband and whatever. But you have your little young boy man out here, where you there with. Right. So but you concerned about your little young boy. One say him forget him Sunday breakfast and
yes.
When your husband gone visit female relatives them this Sunday, you fix him breakfast and you call your little young bonner boy, your little young Joe Grind for come eat for him. So,
don't call him Joe Grind.
Don't call him.
I will be upset with you if you call him.
Okay. I can't call him the bonner boy because him giving bunny?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll call it that.
The bonner boy.
The bonner boy.
The bonner boy.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't say do I have to say the bonner boy? Or I have to say bonner boy?
Bonner boy, B-O-Y.
Yeah, because it sounds like there's some respect there, man.
Of course it's a lot of respect because right now, the way how I feel, I cannot look in his eyes.
You can't look in an over eye?
The little bonner boy eye.
Why? Because you feel
I kind of feel
like you do something wrong.
Yes, I feel like I'm doing something
hold
wrong.
on. You are telling me say you feel like hold on. You are telling me say you feel like say you do something wrong when you attack to your bonner boy because you're involved with your husband?
Yes, sir.
Let me say it again.
Repeat.
You are telling me
yes.
that because you're sleeping with your husband and spending time with your husband who you're married to, they're foreign a file for you. You are telling me that when you attack to your little bonner boy, you feel guilty and you feel a little bit funny about it because you feel like you do something wrong?
Yes, I feel
because you're involved with your husband, don't it?
Yes,
Poor Jesus, tambourine. That deserve a tambourine.
I don't feel comfortable with it. I don't know how I'm going to look in his face now.
In the bonner boy feel?
Yes.
The little young boy, bonner boy, where you have?
Yeah.
Okay. But the backside, yeah, so you love this little young bonner boy more than you love your husband?
Ragashanti.
Yeah.
I love this guy. I love him.
You do what?
I love him. I would lay down in the road and make a trailer run over me.
You would have laid. You love this little boy.
Yes.
Well, we don't have to tell you that. But again, how many years older than him, yeah?
Raga is, well, to be honest, he's 20 down.
Right.
And the husband is 10 up. So me in the middle.
Okay, but how much older than him?
What
you?
Me say the young one is 20 years down.
Okay.
And the Huzzy is 10 years up.
Okay.
And me in the middle.
So there's a 30-year difference between the two man them where you are dating?
Yes.
Well, when I say date, one of your husband and one of your Bonner boy.
Bonner boy. You have to pronounce it properly.
Okay, Bonner boy.
Right.
And so tell me something now.
Mm-hmm.
People are going to listen and I wonder.
If me right.
Yeah, but what is it about the Bonner boy now make you love him so? Talk your truth with God, love. Talk your truth with God.
In just neat, in just cute, in just manageable. He has respect. As me tell you already, he's noble. If me sit down body and say, what me, you can't sit properly, what happened to you? Something like that. If he come in, but you me normally keep a clean house.
Yeah.
If he see something not in this way, he say, what me, all right, take for instance, the other day.
He's pleasantly assertive.
And when me look pan now, him not tell me nothing about a woman them. He not get into that details.
Yeah.
He's very secretive and don't ask him. If you ask him, he look at you.
So wait, you respect that?
So yes, I respect it.
You respect the fact that him not make nothing know about the other woman them when
yes,
make
we
you
respect it. Not,
so you know the same of other woman?
Yes, the same. He tell me say have other woman, but
right.
If he chat that the woman there with me, he will turn around chat me with she or somebody.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And me will leave me little money and me will say, look on so you some money.
But at 20 years older than this youth, you know, what you think this thing are going to go?
I don't know because to how you go.
You don't know?
Listen me, we just have to go with the flow, Raga.
What the backside you talk about go with flow? You have a husband a file for you go find you talk about go with flow. What kind of go with flow?
Raga, didn't I tell you say if and when me boss me send for him, so why you...
Oh yes, you did mention it. Say any of the husband filing come true, you say you're going to send for the bonner man.
Yes.
Papa Jesus. Anyway.
And me tell you, as soon as me finish up my little house, he's going to be welcome. Raga, I love him. I mean, now I talk him. Me love him.
So you like when the little things them when him do make you love him,
The little things them.
Okay. So cause him not mind you or anything.
Yes, he will put on money and what have you.
Like what kind of money, so?
Oh God.
No, we're just curious. Like what kind?
10-pack, 5-pack, 10-pack.
5-pack, 10-pack. You may give a 5-pack, 10-pack every now and then.
They give nothing for put on.
They never give nothing. So you appreciate when him can do that.
Yes, right. If he did even give me one, me take it.
Okay.
Because he give nothing for put on.
Okay.
Because me, I help myself.
Okay.
And the one way he give me, if me did need a cake or soap, he could have go buy it.
Okay.
That's so me stay, you know, so me not
that sound like you really love him for true.
Yes, I love him.
And the start out good too.
The start out good. He better than the right out one.
It better than your husband.
Because the right out one steering bend and the flat and the tire them flat.
Well on. Mad! They say your husband. Why you don't say your husband? Why you saying right out? Say your husband. Because you're married to the man who filed for you.
But all of a sudden, me sight need just been.
Never
been, but he been.
All right, we're not getting on a detail this auntie.
Right.
But you be careful, you know. Because people are listening to you and some people are saying you're a wicked woman.
Yes, I be know who know me, whatever. But
some people are saying you're a wicked woman. Married to your husband, have him a file for your foreign and thing. You have a bonner man out there who you love more.
How me feel
and you're very clear and say, if your husband is successful in bringing you up, you go and bring up the bonner man.
Yes.
You're very clear in that. There are people listening here and say you're a wicked woman.
I don't care. Somebody has to be wicked.
No, nobody do have to be wicked.
Well,
nobody do have to be wicked. Them I say, use the husband.
Somebody has to do that.
No.
But me love him.
You love him?
Yes.
So you love him to the point, you love your little bonner boy.
I know, because when they look at me and you tell me, say, you know you love him more than how you love yourself.
So you love him more than how you love yourself?
I say, look at me already and tell me.
But do you love him more than how you love yourself?
Well, I love myself, but I love him.
No. May I ask you a question and you go around me?
No.
Do you love him more than... Oh, come I tell you, say
no.
He's a damn fool and you're going to tell me yes. Can I tell you that straight? Don't love nobody more than how you love yourself.
Of course.
Okay?
You know.
Don't care how the bonner boy start out good. Never you love anybody more than how you love yourself.
Right.
Okay.
So my one now in Ghana, now in the on the way to airport, you know?
But today, yeah?
Yes.
What do you mean on the way to airport?
Then you know go on the right out one.
What do you mean on the way to airport? Right, yes or no, man?
Right, yes or no in there. He must be there about, I go through toll road, you know.
Oh, okay. So I leave you now, I go here now.
Right. right?
Okay.
So me I go straighten up the bed, change the bed linen, air out the room, fix up, and have a shower and call Youngie.
And Young. And that you call him Youngie. Youngie. And you go call Youngie.
Me go call Youngie.
Well, me go ask you something. Since the gentleman I leave and him on the way to airport, you give him a little fix up, don't you?
Yeah, me tell you, say the steering, Ben.
No, well, Anna, man. You give him a little fix up, don't you?
Yes.
All right. Then if you give him a little fix up, you send him on a airport.
That I wet me beak. That they wet
no,
me beak.
That just wet your beak. Why you say nothing too tough never go on this?
No, me tell you, say, you must get you know, man.
So what you say? That was just a little chup, so? A little two pants, so? Okay, so call Young, you know, forget the real thing, no? All right, I know. You think you're easy.
So you're good, though. Otherwise, from the court.
Yeah, man. Nah, man, all right, man.
All right,
all the court are ready for your court, too.
God blessings with you when that come out.
All right, then blessings,
cool. Love you, bye-bye.
Yeah, man, cool. You say that the husband ain't just wet the beak, man. Wet the beak. You know, nothing really go on this. I say, what's the enemy to the airport? I go through Toll Road. You know, say all the people out at Toll Road that listen to the show now, I look for any vehicle pass with a suitcase tonight. I say, see him there. I know, so them good enough. I say, hi, good morning, welcome to the Toll Road. Well, you look like you're on your way to the airport, man. You're on your way to the airport. Just for fast. Yo, man, here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello? What is going on? I call it a communion. Yeah,
hello?
Yes, hello, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just calling to give you a mix-up about a friend of mine.
Yeah?
She was at home and like 3:30 in the morning come and she not see her man come home.
Yeah.
So she call him phone and him not answer. So she go down the road, take a taxi, go by him house, and she go by him house and knock the window. Him not answer. She knock the door, no answer. So she sit down for the veranda now, so she wait to see what really going if somebody ever come out of the house or what.
Him drive?
I'm not hearing you well.
Oh, come on, people. Do me a beg. Help me now, man. Him drive?
Yeah.
Him car did there?
Yeah, the car was there.
So him definitely in the house then?
He wasn't in the house. He was next door.
Oh, go and talk. Yeah, so she sit up on the veranda and what?
Yeah. So she wait to see if somebody will come out of the house.
Yeah.
Anyway, she there sit down. So when she there like 4 o'clock in the morning, she see me come to the gate with him pants and him marina and him shirt over him shoulder. And she see now, him see her front.
Hold on. So she sit up on the veranda in the hours in the morning and wait?
Yes, so wait to see if somebody can come out of the house.
Okay, so after 4 in the morning, she see me come over with his shirt over him shoulder and pants in him and be things.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
She said to him, him see her and start back. She said, yo, come here, man. Him go to her. She's a little ghetto girl, you know.
Yeah.
But him live up, him live in Meadowbrook.
Okay.
So, she said, yo, come here, man. So, him go to her. When him go to her,
talk fast.
When to her,
yeah,
she say, where you come from? Him say, next door. She said, so where you next door? Him come from over and wife. Him say, wife. She say, what? Because I'm talking for 2 years in a row. She say, wife. Him say, yes. Because I love you. Me never tell this because my relationship for work, whatever. I'm married for 3 years now, but the relationship not really going. The wife stand up and she hold him and start use the BlackBerry and beat him in the face.
Who would do that?
All around which part she does, so he never want her back anything.
Well, no. Who a beat who with BlackBerry?
And the wife stand up on her veranda.
The mate are your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, so she just a find out say the man who she there for 2 years married.
But him come home to her, him come home to her. The wife and him not really have a good relationship.
The wife live beside him?
Yes.
And what kind of fool is the wife living at the house beside him?
Yes, Raga.
So the mate never go feel me out yet?
Yeah, the mate go film, yeah, but maybe she fly out, she wasn't there or something like that.
But after
I rent
big...
him rent the house next door, you know.
Oh.
So I move out of the house, where them build together, whatever, and live next door. When the mate start beat the man now, the wife just lock the grill and stand up and watch. The man never even retaliate and lick her back because, you know, if him go a fair place, she will carry other man pan him and tell him something there.
Okay, because she have some proper link.
Yeah.
So I'm afraid of them link there.
And rather more, I can't talk too loud. Mom, because my teeth in landlord. When I go in the market, she push her hand to the grill and keep my liquid soap.
You want to big up your teeth in landlord, oh. When you go in the market, your landlord push her hand through the grill and teeth your liquid soap.
Yes.
That's
push her hand to the grill, screw off the buckle, push through or whatever, and throw back water in the buckle.
I them things that she are going. Careless dirty landlord, that man. Careless dirty landlord. All
right.
Bless up here.
I've been a September baby. Tomorrow is the due date.
Oh,
It's
you?
a boy.
You? Yeah. You have baby tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. Your man not go there with you?
I hope so.
Okay. What am I do right now?
He's at work. Every evening, me tell him, me talk about the show go.
Okay, see?
Like, Raga, yeah, man.
All right, blessings and good luck tomorrow. You're Virgo, we say.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right, then, bless up. Now, Mixup, that's interesting. A man and his wife next door, and 2 years she there with the man. And here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Raga?
Yeah.
Yes, this is a new friend. First, me I call you.
All right.
Yeah, the anonymous one. I have a Ghetto mixed up to tell you.
Blaze it up.
But this girl to leave out her yard, you know, before the sun rises in a Raga.
Yeah.
In the morning. And Mr. Raga, so the day before that, everybody a talk about who a go out and come back and not get nothing.
Yeah.
So Mr. Raga, you know what I get all it. Everybody they're up late and beer things. So up on the veranda, we are talk and I go on beer things, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my look at the girl that was come in at 1 o'clock in the morning, pepping.
Yeah.
So she come and sit up on her phone and sit up on, like the boy said to her, say, you pull it yet? So you're like, no, I'm not pull it yet. So I'm looking at the candle bag, I see her hand.
Yeah.
So everybody start laughing. No, I say, Raga, I'm not going to have a cousin. Everybody start laughing. Then I say, because you come in with things that go on for you. Mr. Raga is looking at the bag. The first thing that told me in my face, Raga, are the wrapping.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, you know, like when you pull a present from way back when you put the wrappings out of the mattress and they press out and crush up.
Yeah.
That's how the thing look. Mr. Raga, so open it. The next thing I approach me at the back with the present in a Raga.
Yeah.
Mr. Raga, we pull the present and we're looking at the little engine oil back. It's a big dent up mackerel. Mr. Raga.
Is that big what?
Dent up great mackerel.
Dent.
Tired and beer things.
Dent up mackerel.
Dent up mackerel, tin mackerel, Raga.
Well on, tin mackerel.
Tin mackerel.
A dent up tin a mackerel.
Dent up tin a mackerel, Raga.
Well on, him give her a dent up tin a mackerel, wrapping a gift box and gift thing and whatever.
Yes. And even with him bright up on the phone ball, you pull it here. Yeah, now I'm not going to pull it now. So we did have a discussion before. It's like, I don't know what boots are, Raga. Mr. When you see to drop the phone, you couldn't believe it. Everybody laugh and say, because I don't because we talk to her, she don't hear Raga. Mr. Raga told me ignorant for she and the man, I push her and say, don't come back till I get ambition. Mr. Raga, yes, Raga.
Well on.
Them think they are wicked.
Well on. Why him do that? I don't understand why him do that.
I don't understand why I'm not for talk about it, Raga. I'm not for talk about it because she won't listen.
No, why him do? Why him do? I don't him did I don't know her or what? I don't understand.
I don't know if the start out never proper or what.
So what? She go give him sort out and
Go give him start out.
and end up get a dent up tin a mackerel as a gift fella.
Yeah. But I don't want to deserve a tambourine. I want to get to them or a shaker because I want the two.
No man, we give a tambourine to the boy for that man because no, me can't even understand. So what am I do? I don't know and I tell her she a sort out flop.
I know everybody ask me to go for the rice. Because I want to come back after that.
Yeah, someone not ask her, she'll go back for the rice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's too wicked.
No, wicked. Raga. We talk to her and she will listen.
So, what want to talk to her and tell her, say no?
But listen, things, them, my girl. You tell me to pay demand for your things, I may know. So when you have to pay things, you really have to pay things. And I make a boy take you no fool.
Oh.
I thought if you deal with that thing, she too soft and she too kind, rather.
She too soft and she too kind.
Hold on the things when she forget the things, she know when she let it out. When she let it out, no, she let it out proper, she get extra and brat out everything.
Oh, so she fi know when she fi demand her thing, so that by the time she end up and let it off, she fi get extra and brat everything. So basically, right now you seem to be saying that she just allow man for use her.
Then that she do.
You like you just I say.
You perform in a raga, you get it, do a good job, you get a good pay.
What that one they go?
If you do a good job, you get a good pay.
What you talk about? Sort out?
Yeah.
So when you say if a woman give a man a good sort out, she get good return.
She get a good thing, of course.
And you prove that.
Oh, you mean?
So when you give a man a good sort out, it mash up him head and him take care of you.
I thought him have to take care of me, of course.
Because you make sure say you sort out proper.
Then of course.
So what you think I go on with you? I sort out no good or she just kind of?
Sort out no good. I don't know. I'm confused too. I must say it must not good.
Because if a man can't get a dent up tin a mackerel gift wrapped and think then nothing not go on for you.
Nothing not good.
You is just a tin mackerel girl.
If him did even put a little company with the mackerel, it not look right. So me put it so bad.
It wouldn't so. No, that would have bad too.
Well, like put it so bad, man.
No, but hold on. Your cousin are dead for hungry. Hold on. Then if she not dead for hungry, where the backside a man I give mackerel and rice so when you don't sort out. No, all that would have bad too. No, the only way you get mackerel and rice is if you call and say, yo, the hurricane are coming and you can help out with that thing. And then them send over mackerel and rice. But if a man give gift wrap, dent up, tin mackerel. No, but you can't ignorant for him. I think, I feel her fault. You were right in the first instance. She is getting what she thinks she deserves, and him a give her when can get away with. And if him feel say your cousin is a tin mackerel girl, then a tin mackerel girl. What? I lay the mackerel on the collar. Mad. Anyway, bless up here. Yeah, man, lay the mackerel to the world, man. Now, Macadam man first name that. All right. All right, now say a word here. Yeah, man, big up your mackerel cousin. Big up your mackerel cousin. Yeah, man, bless you.
Love and respect.
To the world. Yeah, we're going to break. We're soon forward.
Scan them ragga, what do them always say mix up and blend that spice. I represent all the things them.
I mix up and blend that time.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Mr. Mixup and Blenda, Dr. Ragashanti.
Yeah, man, we're there again. Mix up and Blenda, we say. All right, here we go to the phone lines again. It's Uptown Mix-Up. You know, we need some more Uptown Mix-Up. Hello.
Hi, morning.
Yes, greetings.
Okay, the Mix-Up about fun campus.
Hold on. What kind of breeze that I blow up on you?
Because we're not a road.
You're not a road? Okay, all right.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, one time ago, my father used to work up there.
Your baby father used to work where?
A campus.
Which
Close
campus? Okay, Huey.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right.
Yes, it happened that's one Christmas now. They made have this Christmas party.
Yeah.
So tell me, you must remember something to make a country.
Move out, Thai breeze.
You feel the breeze?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes, I'm saying to make a country.
Yeah.
Happen that me never get to go a country. When me come up there, me see man get stammer. I tell me to sit down on the front. And I hold in the name, I sit down on the front, you know.
Yeah.
So like, I see this girl. I say, yeah, this is a must-seen person when I'm care for the night.
Okay.
So I just go in there, I start talk to the girl now. And talk to the girl. The girl I tell me, I'm working at the canteen and I'm man named Ray.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, your man named Ray. Anyway, so she has to talk to your man. I say, I'm drop me here, so I make a call and I wait back on him now. So give me a call now. And get the whatever more I see in our book and everything. Anyway.
In a which book?
She have a phone, she have a little pocketbook there and everything. So by the time
So you go in our pocketbook?
I tell you, anyway, I get to the party. So anyway, but then no one, me see somebody call her. But then somebody call her. She said, when me look at her, me the person call her. I think I did me, because the person, them assume they know me.
Yeah.
talk to the girl. So she come back and say, watch ya. Him give me 500 if I take taxi go home. I tell me, say, my woman run a front. So I say, who run a front? Name girl.
And that she said to you?
Yeah.
But that time she don't know say you?
No, she never clue see me.
So she said, she a tell you, say, give her $500 for take taxi go home because him woman run a front.
Yes.
That time she don't know say you? Are you?
No, not at all.
What's it like? Go and talk. Yeah.
So I say, him who? So she now say, him girl.
Him girl.
Mm-hmm.
And she say, with attitude, don't.
Attitude.
Yeah.
So anyway, I say, for your information, I know say, I'm girl.
Yeah.
And because I'm at the same time, I just take the $100 from her, take her book from her, and bring her up on my foot, go right through on there with him there. You see what I'm
Hold on. What you say you take from her?
I take about the $500 from her.
Yeah, and then where did you take from her?
Take the book from her, she have whatever number in there.
Yeah.
And I kick her from the car box. The car box from out of you. You see where your place there?
Hold on. What you talk about with my place?
Okay, you see where your place there right now, where you there now?
Yeah.
If you go outside and look straight down to the water place out there, so you're on call back, you stay out there. I don't know if you're still there. And from there, so I kick her from.
So you kick her from the call box, go to where?
To run at the restaurant where my person works.
Run at, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So then you really a girl be a kicker go around there, so you just a kick her, so?
But let's kick her go red. When I reach the spot in there now, one table them used to wash place from. Them fix up around there and everything now. So
yeah.
The table around there. Around them, I just lift her up and fling her upon the table. So here, me so a man.
So what make you do that to her? She never even know about you?
No, because she come call me girl. She don't know about me.
That's true, she girl you up, say him girl.
Yeah.
So that's why you move to her wicked.
Wicked. Because she come girl, she don't know about me. Anyways, me look me to her youth run and come. My youth, cannot keep the girls here, cannot keep the girls here. When him run come now. Because in the morning, I go up there now. I go up there.
Wait, he must say my youth.
You cannot keep the girls, so.
But why am I call you my youth?
Because the distance where I come from, I have a man suit.
Oh, you have a man shoes?
Yeah.
Where that wear Tim's?
Okay, I have a black suit, and when him, to the distance where I come from, I assume some.
That word there, yeah. We know it's not
all right.
Hold on. It's not a bad word. It's not a bad word. But yeah, you want to avoid that one, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
So hear him. I baby mother.
Yeah.
So anyway, back to you look at everybody when I come out. So you know what I say about them reviver now and everything.
What you mean reviver?
Yeah, me she can't turn up back and everything.
Okay. So what if I kick your gear, man?
Oh God, man. So that's why she got call the police.
Mm-hmm.
When the police come, the police like me.
When the police come, the police like you.
Yes, right. Yeah, the police I tell her, I said, no, look here, my girl is wrong. Go to the police station and report it.
Uh-huh. That the police I tell her.
I tell her she, because the police attack him and everything,
Uh-huh.
I tell her if I go to the station and report it. So hear him pray now. You look at she. Oh, you fear have somebody and have somebody way below she. You can't do that. This the girl. Anyway, I tell me now, so I'm not going to mash him down tonight. Him now, we am frightened to the thing that move.
Hold on. We have to be careful, you know. Some people attack up some things back here and they look like them are going to say some things, you know.
All right, we move.
Yeah, because we don't want what them going to say come over here, yeah?
Yeah. So
we still hear them loud, you know. We still hear them.
Me move.
No, man, you move, but you still, we tell us we still hear them.
If I move, you see, anyone I go closer, I go towards, I just, you're ready, we have to one next somebody.
Hello?
Just me have 1 minute left.
Okay, all right then.
Yeah, man, I tell her, say, me know, say, she, as long as she lives, she'll never ever look on the next person baby father again. Never in her history.
Just because of the wall if I kick them or you gear?
Oh, God, man.
Okay. So you support that day if a woman a violate and I take her next man, she kill her with kick?
Well, me tell her, me did mad because she diss me. And the man she attack, you know.
Yeah.
And they say she diss me.
Okay, and talk about him girl.
Him girl.
With attitude.
Right.
So
Everybody have attitude and me if you have attitude.
Are you if you have attitude?
Yeah, because I'm me name Ray.
Are you name Ray? To the world. All right, then bless up here.
To the world.
Yeah, man, take care. Okay, I mix up with say. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah. Yes, hello.
Yeah, afternoon, Raga.
Yeah.
Blessed Raga, long time I hear a show, I like you. See, that.
All right.
Yo, me have a look up something about a high ranking officer, you know.
Why, but your phone I itch do it. I make some static thing, man.
Eh?
Your phone, I get some static interference from your phone.
Oh, so you now hear me?
No, man, we are here, but it's just like the static about it. But go and talk.
Yeah.
High ranking officer.
Yeah, man.
Police
uptown.
officer?
Yeah, man, uptown, man.
Okay.
Yeah, me I tell you, say, yo, me have a look at Virgin, you know, my share history with me, with him and officer, you see it? So, him I say, him about 18 when he meet her, and woman 34, about 34-year-old woman, you know.
Hold on. The high ranking officer is a woman?
Yeah, man, she about 34, man.
She about 34. When you say high ranking, what do you mean? Like?
Me, ACP, man.
ACP, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right.
And I tell her, say, yo, you about 18, 17 then time there, and the woman married have him, man, you see it?
So the high ranking officer married have her man, but she meet your brethren when they are 18?
Yeah, man.
And then what, them start do them thing?
Yeah, man, I tell her, say, when he meet her, you know, if he didn't go her yard, she tell him to come there. She tell him to come there. When he go there, your husband driving, her husband always ask her, who are you there? So she turn and say, oh, my.
Hold on. We never know if you make up that name there, you know. Make up the name?
No, I write name, but I change it back to me now and come on the radio.
All right. We cut it out a while ago because we don't want you to use the right name, here.
Yeah, man.
We never know if I right name or wrong, but it's a good thing we cut it out because, like you said, the right name. But don't use the right name, here.
Yeah, man.
All right then. Don't use the name at all.
Yeah, man. So the man driving now and see brother. He asks her brother. So she turn to him and say, yo, I nephew.
Yeah.
So, the husband now repair the mine and gone, go eat lunch and drive up back and gone. So when the husband drive out and gone, he tell me, say, yo, is that the woman at the bathroom left a towel on the couch? And I say, can you carry the towel for me, please?
Yeah.
So him kind of look scared, come and say, yo, what she want towel when she in the bathroom? Why you want to carry towel come?
Yeah.
So him say, yo, when he go through the door now, I reach in the bathroom, he said the woman without any dress, you see it?
She naked?
Yeah, I tell her after, man.
Hey.
She naked.
So she sent to tell him to bring the towel, and when they go in, if he get towel, she start by naked.
Yeah, you see me, I say,
and this is the high-ranking police officer.
Yeah, man, the high-ranking officer, man.
Yeah, man. Okay. ACP, yeah.
When he going in now, so to her afraid.
Yeah.
He must look at this and I give her a towel. So what she do now, she drop the soap and say, oh, my, the soap drop. So when I come out...
I joke can't make, man. She could have never go do that, no.
Hello, a serious thing that the brother tell me, sir.
She really got drop soap for you?
Yeah, she drop the soap and I said, can you take the soap for me, please? Because they want to trick the brother now, you know. So the brother stretch over and over, take up the soap and she drag him in the bath with him. And then she drag him in the bath now. And then I wrestle and thing and... You know,
what you mean wrestle?
She try to hold him down to get that look fixing the face.
Hold on. So him never want to get... So wait, him did want to run?
He didn't want to run because he say, yo, he must say respect her, so you know, we ain't never expect that, so he kind of scared.
Oh. And she want him now for him send her the thing there?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
So she want to fix him, if like him resist, say, yo, he nah give her, you see it?
Yeah.
So anyway, she hold him down and she take it from him.
What you mean she take it? Like thing?
Rape him, man.
What you say?
You say, hold on, man.
You said this high-ranking?
Yes, man, high-ranking.
You said this high-ranking female police officer rape off your 18-year-old friend?
That's tell her, man.
Okay, all right, then go on talk.
Yeah, so when you want to take it down, when she hold him down and take it, see?
In the bathroom, eh?
In the bathroom, that's
okay.
what I say, man.
Okay, I don't want, man.
So you get that show and eventually you get a friend her. So you get a friend her now, he might run now, I run and put her in clothes. He says, I run out the bathroom and put her back in clothes. So he run out to your door now. He pass about 3 girls along the street.
Yeah.
The girl will say, yo, hombre. You need to say, you zip down same way. And he said, thank you, man. And jump in zip and run gone. So by next day now, in the one corner, pray a girl, give a girl a talk.
Yeah.
And when he look into this big van drive down and stop.
Yeah.
So when he stop now, in the look see him when I come and say, van like a van, you know, you see it?
Yeah.
So you see when the wind down and you look, you see some of the people, they say, come here. And then go over there, another woman again.
The woman, the same woman?
Yes, sir, the same high-ranking officer again.
Yeah.
So he go over there and say, XYZ, and she said, what you do here, sir? He said, I talk to one of my friends. And she turned to him and said, look here. He said, what is my property?
Yeah.
She said, you could kill this girl out the road. Because film my property this.
Yes.
And anyway, so she further on, he go in a vehicle with her and go back to the yard again.
Yeah.
This time she cook big meal give him.
Yeah.
Give him rice and peas and him juice and things that she's gonna eat.
Feed him and strengthen him, man.
Eh?
Feed him and strengthen him.
You see that, brother?
Yeah.
So after that, now he's eating, now the husband driving again. So the husband driving again for her car. Say, what am I doing today again?
Uh-huh.
You know, so in the lesson book yesterday and he come back feet. So I say, yeah, what are them, man? Oh, come today 2 days trip like one that's one and how much years me live and I never see a family see you come here.
That the husband I say?
Yes, man.
How come him there 2 days back at one another and him never see this a boy before?
Yes.
And 2 days straight him there.
Yes.
And then what happened?
So the husband decided to say, yo, now go back to work, I want to know what is what now, you know.
Yeah. Quick, yeah.
Yeah, so the husband stayed there now. And I say, I give him signal, I say, yo, he to grow on her back. And when he grow on her back, he might tell the husband to go upstairs, because upstairs house, you know.
Yeah.
When the husband upstairs asleep, he might pull it back door and he come and squeeze the one piece and he can run.
You sure?
I'm going to tell a serious thing.
Man, that story that sound. So, how it end up?
It end up, that's the husband come down and catch it toward them and do them thing, man. They must run. The husband.
No. I refuse to believe.
Brother, I really...
No. Well, on. You tell me it's your ACP, Assistant Commissioner of Police.
Yes, sir.
Have one young boy right in front of our husband in our house. I send our husband upstairs and I sat out downstairs and all them.
Mr. All know.
No, I think your brethren fix up the story, sir. I not say nothing, you know, but me not think she would have do it.
Yeah, man, she love him, man.
Huh?
She love him, I tell her she love him, man.
She love him, but me not think that story is straight. But, you know, if I saw him say I saw it go, well, I saw it go. All right?
Yeah, man.
All right, bless you. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good morning, Raga.
Yeah.
Boy, it's hard to get to you, yeah?
Yeah. So what I say now?
Well, me I tell us one time I have my cousin, right?
Yeah.
I like him to live uptown.
Yeah.
So him end up move to a country.
Yeah.
So when him go for country now, it's like him meet this browning.
Yeah.
So it's like one day now the browning come over the house, come give him like a sort out.
Right.
But before him did sort of like wash him clothes and put on the line.
Yeah.
So you know so after him start out and thing, it's like him drop asleep. And when him get up now, it's like him notice him clothes, one shirt missing off of the line.
Yeah.
So it's like him come to me and I say, boy, I wonder if you take it up off the line because I wonder if I dry you take it up. And also the next morning, him hear the youth are calling. And when like him pull the door. The woman.
The woman?
No, the woman when him sort out, man. And him a friend.
Yeah.
So him hear the youth are call him and I say...
Well, him sort out him friend woman?
Yeah.
Okay, and then him see one of him shirt missing?
Him see, after him wake up, him shirt missing.
And then the next morning, the friend I call him?
Yeah. If him not go work. And when him go to the friend, he see his shirt.
Him see the friend in his shirt?
Yeah. So after the woman kind of give the girl nothing. So after the woman done start him out, she take off him clothes off her line and give her man. And her man, him no know. And put it on a wear shirt, work the next morning.
So wait, then when him see the man in friend in his shirt?
When him say more than him not feel good, he not go in today. And walk and tell everybody.
Him say him not really go work today? Because him not feel good? Okay.
And I know the man don't even know say I'm friend shirt him have on. Because I tell us I town the man just come from.
Oh, Zin. But my fight, well, it depends on where the shirt come from, though, you know. But anyway, bless up here.
We can get a shout out.
Yeah, quick.
May I shout out to my man Birdie Pie from Matches Lane.
All right, from Matches Lane.
Yeah.
Larger Paul Matches Lane link, you know.
All right.
Blessings and respect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello, yeah. What you say?
May I pick up your party fella?
All right, blessings and respect, man.
Yeah, your party. I'm one thing, Raga, where that come from? I'm paying people party, making an orange shoes.
And I'm an orange shoes. Oh, you mean early out? I did my look at work thing, you know.
You look good, though.
Thank you.
Yeah, biggest station of Franklin Town.
Who?
The biggest station of Franklin Town days.
The biggest what?
Fish.
Fish?
Yeah.
You are the biggest fish in a Franklin town?
Yeah. I'm mad them.
Am I talking to a woman or a man? Hold on. No, you have the radio in the background. You know. We're going to cut you off here.
Raga.
Hold on. Am I talking to a woman or a man?
A man, sir.
You a man?
Yeah.
Now, we know them foolishness there. You know. So, what you say? You're the biggest fish in a Franklin town and it's burn them?
Yeah.
So, you're the...
mad them, Raga.
Oh, okay.
Every time them see me, them things, them chomp things for me, them store me, them back me, everything. And you still behind the wall, them carry me in a dark track and rape me.
Hold on. You say every time the man them say them a chew back laugh for you and them something.
I burn me out in a Raga.
I burn you out?
Yeah.
And then behind closed door, what?
Them a carry me in a track for rape me off.
Who are carrying a track for rape
The bad man them.
The bad? Mine a lie you tell you know.
Raga, me fi tell you, Raga.
Mine a lie you tell pan them just because them a burn you out, you know. It's true you talking?
Raga, me say the gunman them road there, there's no for.
You are say the bad man them when them a burn you out and all them thing and then behind closed door them a dry in a track for rape, yeah?
Draw me off for rape, me take them a virgin to it, Raga. Them envy me for everything.
Them envy you for everything. What you have with them envy you for?
My nice carry my man by me, my house for Belfry Heights.
All right. Then bless up for that, for your talk, yeah? All right.
Raga.
Yeah, foolishness. Hello. Next car.
Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly. No. Now standeth in the way of sinners, not sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But is the light in the law of the Lord, and his Lord will meditate day and night.
All right.
And he shall be like a tree planted by the river of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in the season.
Yeah.
His leaf also shall not wither, and whatsoever do it shall prosper. The ungodly are not so, but are like the chaff which the wind driveth away. Therefore the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sit in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord knoweth the way of the righteous, but the way of the ungodly shall perish.
All right.
Raga?
Whoa.
Boy and girl.
Boy and girl.
Yeah, this. I miss creative this.
Mad one.
Morning, Raga.
Mad one. What you say?
Where there, Raga?
Why I tell us your uniform outfit did mad?
Cool, no?
Mad. What I go do?
I call my car to big up my little boy Tariq, and I'm going to be 3-year-old today.
Oh, seeing proper respect and thing on the earth strong, you know?
You remember Sim J? Sim J owner the 15th at next week Tuesday.
Oh, Zane.
I remember Sasha K.
Yeah.
So I won on the 24th, that are the Thursday.
Straight September.
All right. Here one no Raga.
Mm-hmm.
You see when you have no show and no mix up and no nothing.
Yeah.
You see when you have no I don't want something for me.
What?
When every man I come here, I go and say, Mad one, I don't want you at my show. Reason why, you are too blinking creative. You stay home and don't come.
Yeah.
Give others a try.
Yeah. Can I say your outfit did not mad them?
With the amount of picture I take, God, if me that charge, if me that call it money,
No,
I
man.
get 20 grand.
Your outfit sell off, and for those of you who don't know, Mad One did come half boy, half girl in a uniform. So half are in all the hairstyle, you know. Half of the hairstyle in a boy hairstyle and half in a girl hairstyle. It mad, man. Half are in a khaki and, you know, with boy shoes. And then half are in a girl, you know, girl. It did mad, man. Mad. Sick of that. Sick of that, for real.
Me no know, me just too, rather, me no know. Me feel like, to me just feel say me too creative and me well creative.
Well, you can never be too creative, you know?
Okay.
You can never be too creative. But you do have a little gift in that regard and thing. And we just want to big you up feet straight, yeah?
Well, not say nothing.
No say a word, man.
Happy birthday, Tariq.
All
Big
right.
up. I love you, my boy. Big
All
up
right.
every day.
You see it?
Cool, rather.
All right, Mad One. Blessings and respect, man, every time.
Cool.
Here we go. One more call up in the morning. Hello?
Good morning, Raga. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
May I pick you off the air, please?
Oh, well on. Yes.
I'll put me a call after.
Well on. You hear me? I do the show, don't you?
Yeah.
And you want to talk to me half of the year?
You do, Raga.
Then if me I talk to, darling, if me I talk to you half of the year, who are going to do the show?
All right. You can call back, please, after I hang up.
No, what about?
Emergency, Raga. I want to talk to you.
No, then talk to me.
No, I don't want to talk on the ear.
Darling,
I'll call back after the show.
no, I can't because when I leave, you're going straight to teach. Here, and I'm going to teach right up until 8
I'll
today.
tomorrow then.
All right, try tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, before you come in.
One more call. Hello? 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 All kind of phone drama and lines them full up and thing. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings.
Yeah.
Hey, you can ask Raga. Few of my people are calling him today. Why problem with them?
Huh?
You hear me?
Yeah, barely, yeah. Hello? Aye. I could see if we can take one more call. About 2 minutes to go. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello. Hello? Yo, slow this. Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Not hearing me?
Is what at my background? Yo, cut off that. Can't bother with that. Yo, in our Mars, people, blessings and respect.
Call and talk up the things them.